Hey guys, welcome to Steinbrenner DIY. Today we're gonna be making a bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich. Alright, so first you wanna get out your bread of choice. Right now I'm using, what's it called? Nature Zone butter bread, but any bread works. All right, now you want to grab your eggs. It doesn't really matter. Eggs are eggs. I do 2 eggs, but one egg works fine. It just depends on how much egg you want in the sandwich. All right, now you want to grab your cheese. I've been using this Tillamook sharp cheddar. I like using sliced cheese. Like I slice it myself, but you can just use something like this. There's nothing in it, but like where it's already like sliced. It doesn't really matter that much. All right, guys, and now we're getting the bacon, the most important. And now we're getting bacon, the most important part of this recipe. All right, so what I do is I grab a pretty small pan, and then you want to get a little bit of butter. So some butter. Alright, so you don't need that much butter. Normally I do about like that much butter. Alright, you don't need to overdo it with the butter. So now what you want to do is you want to get out your toaster for the bread. Almost forgot. I like using this Hellman's creamy sriracha sauce. It's very good, but you obviously don't need it. You can use any sauce or no sauce. It's still gonna be good. All right. So now we're gonna crack the eggs and scramble them. 1 egg. 2 egg. 'But remember to wash your hands. We're not trying to get any salmonella in here. Alright, so I just use a fork, and then you just want to get them all good and scrambled. Now you want to turn on your heat. Now this is going to be different for everybody because nobody got the same stove, but I do 3.5 heat, just a relatively low heat. Then you want to put your butter in the pan and get it ready. Alright, another big important part, toasting the bread. Okay, so I like doing it around 4 to 5 heat. I just like my bread like golden brown. I don't want like black, like charred bread. So now I'm gonna cut the cheese. Basically the butter's like just about done. Yeah, now it's done. So like what you wanna do, what I do is I get the whole pan buttered up. This might have been too much butter actually. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a paper plate, because this isn't the cleanest meal. You'll probably have some crumb action, some bacon falling out of the sandwich action. So you wanna be ready. And this is just me, but I do 6 slices of cheese because I just like a nice layer of cheese. But normally I just get like 3 links of bacon. Our eggs are almost ready. And I just put it in for like 25 seconds. Oh, what's up? 25 seconds. And now I'm gonna show you the crazy egg thing that we do. What I like to do is I just fold the stick in. Bro. It's not that easy to do with one hand, trust me. What I like to do is I fold the sides in, so at the end we can have like a square egg, so it fits on the sandwich a lot better. Alright, so this is basically what you want to have. So it's just a me thing, or maybe a you thing, I don't know. I don't really know how the salt and pepper changes the flavor, but I normally just put salt and pepper on it. Don't forget to clean up your mess. Clean up after yourself. Gotta clean up. Okay, this is just as important. Don't forget to treat your dog. My dog loves cheese, so he's gonna get some cheese. There you go, bud. There you go, there you go. He's very happy now. Alright, so this is also extremely important. Oh, bro. Nasty. So this is how I prep my bread. I'm very generous with the creamy sriracha sauce. But obviously it don't matter, you can do whatever sauce fits your liking. And so on one side of the bread, I do my cheese like so. On the other side of the bread, I do my bacon like so. And then I'm gonna put the egg here after I give it a little bit more time to chill out because it's still kind of hot. And then we're gonna be ready. All right, and don't forget your drink. I myself love Coca-Cola. It's the last Coca-Cola in the box. But don't forget your drink, you're gonna need it. Grab a napkin to clean up your mess on your hands. All right, so now we're actually gonna put this whole thing together. This is where it all comes together. Cheese, egg, bacon. All right, this is where you can mess up. Okay, I know about you folks. That's looking like a fat bacon, egg, and cheese. All right, time for the big reveal, the big epic taste test. I'm good, bro. I'm good.